finally got asked for a tutorial on how to add cheap real-time reflections to a source game like I showcased a while back, so here's that. Disclaimers first, of course, this technique adds reflections to a surface similar to the ones of water surfaces, which means that they come with the same limitations. You can't put multiple surfaces within the same area, as the shaders then tend to glitch out and show buggy reflections. I suggest to use it on one massive surface per area to prevent that, but to still get the most out of the effect. You'll be needing to create 3 components for adding them. 2 VTFs, one with the basic texture and one with the corresponding normal texture, and 1 VMT, which will define the material's properties. The VTFs can be created by, for example, importing a texture in a format like PNG into a tool like VTF-edit and then save it as a VTF. The VMT is a file containing plain text. I have prepared a template that I'm leaving in the description for you to copy. But remember to fill in the strings between greater than and less than signs with the correct strings. The files need to be saved within your game's materials folder and within that in a subfolder, so for example hl2/materials/cool_map. The paths in the VMT file have to be changed to the path from the materials folder, so here just cool_map, and then the file name without the file extension. Different values of the parameters will result in different effects, of course. Oh, and don't forget to change the surface prop value to whatever fits, as it defines walking sounds, being shot sounds and being shot particles as well. The material should now be listed in the Hammer editor if it's configured correctly. Apply the material to a surface, press Ctrl T and make the brush a Funk reflective glass entity. Compile the map and you'll now have a shiny floor.